Welcome, welcome, welcome once again. And this is the Iconic FX. Yeah, I welcome everyone supporting the channel, everyone supporting the group. So, yes, we're back to it again, back to the chat, logged in as usual. You get what I'm saying? So, yes, we are going to be analyzing Bitcoin. Yes, we're going to be dissecting XPX 500. We're going to be talking gold. And these are the trending market. These are the ones that are going to be giving us that cash, that money we've been anticipating, that money that okay, we are anticipating to spend during Christmas. These are the spears, these are the market that are going to provide us that. So that's that about that. Yes, and I want to spend a minute sharing you my own experience on the market. Yes, June and July has been a wonderful month, wonderful month. Even the months of drawdown is still a wonderful month if you can discipline yourself, take the pain to analyze your mistakes, and you find out that those mistakes you are not repeating them any longer. You've progressed. You don't know, fine, by your account numbers, P&L ratio, or whatever. You might be thinking you've not grown, but if you can identify your mistake, you've really grown. I can assure you that. I can assure you that. And even in the most certain world or most ideal world, things are not still perfect. Things are not still perfect. And that the whole psychology is not far-fetched. It's because we as humans are we tend to make mistakes. You get what I'm saying? So our own duty as being a smart trader is for us to know our mistakes and not to repeat them. We keep growing, striving towards that perfection. And that is what is going to secure you. That is what is going to secure you, not only in trading, for life. Learning from your mistakes, learning from your mistake. It's something that trading has taught me, um and I'm applying it to life. And I know, yes, me not repeating the same mistake would save me so much trouble, would save us so much trouble. We not repeating the same mistakes. So that's that about that. Now, let's without any further ado, let's get straight to the chart. Here in front of me I have Bitcoin, BTC USD. So now what's Bitcoin saying? Let's see. Now I'm on the monthly time frame. As you can see, you see Bitcoin monthly time frame here. You see the 1 month chart here exactly. So what's it saying? I could remember that I predicted Bitcoin right off of this level, this 30K level. You get what I'm saying? So yes, around this level. Although I don't think I have any video documentary or whatever to indicate what I'm saying, but the group in my team can definitely vouch for that they know we predicted this level that Bitcoin was going to get to 60K. And this was not a brain buster. What just simply happened was, okay, I saw Bitcoin came to respect structure around this level. Yes, Bitcoin came to respect structure around this level. Yes, and I went back to the past to find some secrets concerning Bitcoin, to find some secret concerning Bitcoin. So oh wow, this particular chart doesn't have it. Yeah, to the past, and I find out that Bitcoin repeats this cycle. As you can see, this one cycle. You get what I'm saying? Then the retracement, a very, very large retracement. I know around this time everybody tends to be panicky. You know what I'm saying? They want to then you begin to hear that Bitcoin is crashing, Bitcoin is falling, Bitcoin is crumbling. So I knew definitely that this particular level here, this particular fall here was not going to last long. Definitely, based on the past, based on the past. So, and Bitcoin has done that in previous cycles. I don't know why I can't seem to um find particular chart that would give me uh, exactly. So I noticed that Bitcoin has done this. Bitcoin was on a bullish trend overall. You get what I'm saying? A bullish trend overall from 2010. I was able to spot this. The first cycle, say one, yes, the crash after the sudden pump, the crash. It respected structure around this level somewhat, and now it formed an higher high, now an higher low, exactly, definitely an higher high, and higher high. And again, what do we expect after an higher high and higher low? So it was not far fetched for me to predict that Bitcoin from this level would this crash, it's only temporary. So that already got my mind. So I drew my major zone around here. So some sort of a major zone, yes. Some people can call it supply demand zone, or some sort of a major zone here that okay, Bitcoin crash should get to this level, and yes, we should be expecting a reversal around that level. Then fortunately for us, what do we see? We saw a bullish engulfing candle. Then no, when I saw this, I knew that yes, Bitcoin was done. Bitcoin was done. Bitcoin was finally done. Yes, I saw this, and I saw that the trend still continued. You get what I'm saying? We wanted to have like a little hitch around this level, but it still respected structure on the monthly time frame. Fine. I was like, yes, Bitcoin is over. Bitcoin is over. So that was how I was able to predict that Bitcoin was going to get to um 60K anytime from then. So back to where we are. Back to where we are. Exactly. So that was how I was able to predict Bitcoin back to 60K. And now where are we? We are at the top, some sort of the top. Exactly. So now we can see here on the monthly time frame that Bitcoin is consolidating. As a matter of fact, it has come to form this candlestick pattern, this candlestick formation, rather, this candlestick formation, and this is yeah, and this is an hammer. Yes. So, and this is I observed this and I was like, fine, this is a consolidation phase representing that the bullish momentum is still strong. And now Bitcoin suddenly fell out of this particular structure line here, this particular continuation flag here, and didn't take much of a time before going back in. This is what I'm saying. Let me scale down to the lower time frame. So this is it. So broke this level here, broke this level. Then I knew that okay, Bitcoin was going to crumble. Then it broke this line here, this my black flag line here, bottom line here. So I just then I knew that oh no, Bitcoin could be crashing. And if you check it fundamentally, when we did our research, we found out that the German government was selling off aggressively, and that was what caused this pressure of price to the downside. So Bitcoin got to 53K. Yes, and now it didn't take long before Bitcoin could go back into this contained consolidation. So it's still this still represents that we are still much in the bullish phase. Don't fidget. Don't don't panic. You should remain level headed. So that is it. So now currently now Bitcoin is playing about 63K, and this I kept a green bar here because this actually represents something to me. And what does it represent? Now I can see some sort of a neckline forming here, some like a shoulder, head, and expecting another shoulder to form here. However, this, and we all know from price action, from top down analysis approach, that whenever we have an head shoulder pattern, this indicates a reversal pattern. So now, fine, fine. This pattern is still yet to form itself. But what is that particular level that is so giving me concern? You think what I'm saying? Now, I'm still bullish on Bitcoin overall. I want you to note that. But I want to know timing is a very important factor. on chart analysis. You get what I'm saying? That's why we have some certain rules and certain actions to play out. Did you get what I'm saying? To set out in order for us to contain our analysis reasonably. Did you get what I'm saying? So now we now have 63 price playing around 63 level. So I kept the green bar there. I was like, okay, now my overall target, which is some sort of 85, 81 to 85k. If Bitcoin can successfully break 63k, if Bitcoin can successfully break 63k with a weekly candles formation, can even come to retest the line, the neckline before the pump, I'll be entering in. If Bitcoin successfully breaks 63k, come off it, come off it. Bitcoin is going to be getting to 80k, 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 80k. You heard it here first. You heard it here first from the iconic effect. So that is all. Simple, fast, and level-headed approach. I am not panicking. I'm not fidgeting. As a matter of fact, I've entered a buy signal from here, from the C 57, 58 level, around that level. Did you get what I'm saying? And currently in profit. Did you? So if Bitcoin can successfully break 63k, nothing should stop it from getting to 73. Then after breaking 73, 85, which is our prediction from the Diaconic FX. So, however, what's now the condition clause? This 63k happened to be the deciding factor for this asset class. So, in any in it could it you never could tell anytime Bitcoin could begin to fall off the cliff from this level, because if you look at it, if you look so closely, you can see a demand zone, a supply zone there, a supply zone there that is in with respect to the mini downward trend. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? That's why I said we need a weekly candle break. A weekly candle break of this level, 63k level. If you can get a weekly candle break of that level, come on, we are done. Bitcoin to the top side. We're hopping in for another buy signal to the top side. So that's that about Bitcoin. So simple, short, fast, and level-headed approach. Anytime, any day. Top-down analysis to the world. Yeah. So I promised we also touched on XPX 500 and gold. So I'm done with the Bitcoin analysis, and I want you to manage your risk. It's very, very, very important you manage your risk. Risk is very, very necessary for you. You need to know how to manage your risk. Don't just enter this market all because you say, okay, the iconic has said so. No, you still need to manage your risk. Trade with the amount you are ready to lose. So that's another piece of advice there from the iconic FX. So next on my list, we have the XPX 500. The XPX 500. Sweet, 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 sweet. Check my analysis on the previous video. You see, we are not joking here. We are not joking in the iconic FX. We are not joking. The iconic group, we are not joking here. We predicted the level 5,005. 5,005, and now market has gotten to that level. This was a beautiful ride to 5,005, my G's. This was a beautiful ride to 5,005. And yes, now I'm here to tell you that my new price level again, I'm here to predict that XPS 500 is going to hit the 6,000 price level. Take it from the iconic FX. Take it from the iconic FX. Because why? Fundamentally, we find out that now these tech companies are growing. And as they are growing, other small cap companies are following alongside. And this is all because of liquidity move from market to market. Now the investors, the very, very large investors are now looking towards stocks, looking towards investing in tech. And majorly, it is because of the tech aspect of the S&P 500 that keeps this asset class trending. That keeps this asset class trending. Market has broken our 5,500 level, and we are anticipating a new price level 6,000, 6,000, 6,000. That's our year target. Our year target. It could time could pass more than that, but still um we are still comfortable. We are still comfortable. So now, what's the formation of the entry? The How are we going to enter? Simple and short. Now, how are we going to enter? Probably waiting for a pullback. um Sorry, waiting for a pullback to some sort of a supply zone, a demand zone around this level. Then you use the counter trend line approach to 6,000 level. So that is it. The 6,000 level. This is pure, simple analysis. Now, how is the consolidation going to form? That's another question. How is the consolidation going to form? I can find out that around this place, XPX 500 gives mini, very, very um, small consolidation. You get what I'm saying? You can go back to the past. You can see one um, previous consolidation. We entered around there exactly. See another. I'll be very much comfortable if we could have a bigger consolidation phase like this here. But however, XPX is known to have all this very, very small consolidation for one to enter. So feel free to buy from the 5,005 level, as it can act as a resistance to um, a support to a new price level 6,000. So the next on my list is gold. Gold. So what's gold doing? Gold doing. We are still up on gold. 2005. 2005. That's our overall target. 2005 is our overall target for gold. As you can see, yes, it has been. We've always known gold would still get to 2005. So you just need to apply your lower time frame strategies. Exactly, I've given you the overall direction. As you can see, if you move down to the monthly time frame, see gold has still still has a lot of potential to move up to the top side. To move up to the top side. So 2005 is our next level price. And next level price. So, and that will be all for today. So thank you very much for staying up to this time. It is it is a pleasure that you've been with us from the beginning of the video until now. So please, you do us a favor and subscribe, share, and like. Thank you. Special thanks from me and from the Diaconics FX group. Yeah, peace out.